Thank you, sir, for giving me this golden opportunity to speak in front of you. Today, I will speak about co-education. Co-education means mixed gender education. Co-education is an education system where both male and female are educated. Co-education was introduced by Western Europe in a revolution. That time, some protesters demanded that girls should be educated with boys. And now I would like to tell you the current scenario of India. In India, there is three type of education institute and system available: female education institute, male education institute, and mixed gender education institute. Mixed gender education institute are more than available in India than the single gender education institute. Earlier, there were only male education institute available in India, but right now India has improved. There is both type of education institute available: mixed gender education institute and single gender education institute. There are some female education institute and male education institute and mixed gender education institute. Now I would like to tell you the advantage of co-education. Mixed gender education prepare a student for real life because they complete their study with opposite gender, so that help a lot to overcome to get overcome on their shyness on hesitation. And that help a lot whenever we go outside of our comfort zone, our village, our hometown. Because if someone come from single gender education, that time he or she will find it difficult to converse others. So if someone come from mixed gender education system, he or she will not find it difficult to converse others. Whenever he or she will get an admission in any college and any education institute, that time he or she can easily adapt themselves in that environment, because they know how to deal with opposite gender. During their schooling, they learn how to deal with opposite gender. And this makes gender education good for after completing our graduation, after getting a job. Because after getting a job, we have to work with opposite gender. And during our schooling, we know how to deal with opposite gender, so that's why it will help a lot in whenever we do job. And it is good, mixed gender education good for the economic point of view, because if there is single gender education system, then government have to pay more money, government have to spend more money on education, because government have to build more education institute for separate genders, and government have to buy more equipment for separate institute. And if there is mixed gender education system, there is no need to buy more equipment, and there is no need to build separate education institute for separate gender. So money can save, and that will also increase our economy, that will boost our national economy. And mixed gender education is good for reduce gender equality, gender bias, gender inequality in our society, because during schooling, students respect each other opposite gender, so that this thing is very good to reduce gender bias in our society. Now I would like to tell you the disadvantage of mixed gender education. In mixed gender education, both male and female study together, so that time they think that time they attract towards opposite gender, and that time they don't know what is the difference between love and attraction. So they get attract, they deprive from their path, and they don't focus on study. So the result is not good in mixed gender education. And if there is mixed gender education in India, so the women literacy level will be decreased, because there are many orthodox and conservative person in our society, mostly in village area. They will not allow their girl to study with the opposite gender. So this is not good, because if there is whole mixed gender education system, that time women literacy level will decrease. But in India, we are lucky, there is both type of education system institutes available: mixed gender education and single gender education institute. So this is the beauty of India, and विविधताओं में एकता, यही भारत की विशेषता. Thank you.